Hey there, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to my video. Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com. Hope you're having a great day today. Today, we're diving into the amazing effect of humility and how it can positively impact our lives and our surroundings. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the beauty of this remarkable trait. Have you ever noticed how some people just naturally possess this amazing ability to reflect inward while still maintaining a genuine interest in others? It's as if they've uncovered a secret world to a harmonious existence. Well, my friends, that secret world is humility. See, when we practice humility, we learn to switch our focus from ourselves to the world that surrounds us. It's not about downgrading our accomplishment or even lowering our self-worth. It's about recognizing the value of every individual's contribution, including our own. Humility opens doors for us to approach life with a caring and compassionate mindset. Instead of seeking recognition for ourselves or competing with others, we channel our energy into action that inspires and supports those around us. It's an amazing feeling and concept that inspires others to become more aware of their own strength. One of the most remarkable aspects of humility is its ability to bridge the gap between self-reflection and genuine care for others. It's like a gentle reminder that we are all connected, each thread weaving a tapestry that shapes our beautiful world. But here's the best part. Humility isn't just a passive quality. It's an active light that shines outwards that compels us to take meaningful, compassionate action. When we truly understand the value of others and their contribution, we can't help but act on our compassion and understanding. Whether it's lending a helping hand, supporting a cause we believe in, or simply just being there for someone who needs us. Humility prompts us to turn our empathy and compassion into action. And it's these small acts of kindness that create waves of positive change. So, my friends, let's reflect and take a moment to embrace humility in our lives. Let's reflect inward and appreciate our own worth and shine our own bright light while recognizing and celebrating the incredible worth of others as well. Let's be mindful of where we focus our energy and ensure that it's directed towards uplifting, inspiring, and supporting those around us and those who look up to us. Remember, each act of compassion, no matter how small, has the power to make our world a much better place and make a huge impact. So let's radiate humility and kindness together. Thank you so much for watching this inspiring video and the power of humility. If you found value in this and would like to receive more valuable content like this, and if you're ready to take the next step in cultivating a life of purpose and fulfillment, I encourage you to visit freedomlifebusiness.com and opt in to discover a wealth of resources and opportunities to create a life of freedom and success on your own terms. By integrating the principles of humility into your personal and professional journey, you will unlock incredible potential and align yourself with a community of like-minded individuals who share your values. Whether you dream of starting your own online business, pursuing a passion project, or finding financial independence, this platform is designed to guide and support you every step of the way. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. Embrace humility and take that leap towards the life you've always desired. Together, let's make a difference in our lives and in the world. Go ahead and take action today.